Rahim and his golden chicken in a small village. There lived a poor farmer named Rahim. His life was very simple, going to eat in the morning, resting in the afternoon, and hanging out with friends in the afternoon. But Rahim had one priceless asset in his life, a chicken which he named Sonali. Sonali was no ordinary chicken. She would lay a golden egg every morning. At first Rahim couldn't believe it. But after a few days, when he really had a few golden eggs in his hands, he realized that this was a gift from God. Gradually, Rahim's condition started to improve. He built a new house, Spotland, and his reputation in the village also increased. But over time, he started to change his mind. In the city, his friend Ahmed was doing business. One day, Ahmed said to Rahim, "Come to the city, there is money, work and everything here. What will happen if you stay in the village?" Rahim was greedy. He thought, let's leave this boring life in the village, go to the city and do something big. The next morning, he left for the city without thinking much. He left Sonali in the yard without telling anyone. While he was leaving, a day passed, 2 days, then a week. Sonali waited for Rahim every day. In the morning, he would go to the door and call out, "Where did you go, Rahim?" But there was no response. Not getting food, realizing the absence of his beloved owner, the chicken began to weaken day by day. One night, it was raining heavily. Sonali was sitting quietly in front of Rahim's house. Tears were in her eyes, her heart was heavy. Suddenly, a thunderbolt struck the sky. And at that moment Sonali became silent, as if she had given up her life to the pride of her beloved owner. The next week, Rahim returned from the city. He went to the yard and saw that his beloved Sonali was no more. There was a small grave under the ground, and a village child had written next to it, "Rahim's Sonali, who lived in love and died in love." Rahim sat down and started crying. His eyes were filled with regret. He realized that love is more valuable than wealth. Moral of the story: love and relationships can never be neglected. If we forget our loved ones in pursuit of money, greed, or dreams, one day we may return and find only emptiness. Thank you.